how to fix the issue of the non-payment option not showing up when trying to change your country or region on iOS 17. If you're experiencing the problem, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, you need to check if you have any active subscriptions. Go to settings, then tap on your name at the top and then select subscriptions. If you have any active subscriptions, you'll need to cancel them before you can change your country or region. Remember, this includes subscriptions like Apple Music, iCloud Stories, or any third party application subscriptions. Once you've canceled your subscription, you might need to wait until the subscription period ends before you can proceed. The next step is to make sure you don't have any remaining store credit. Unfortunately, you can't change your country or region if you have any balance left in your Apple ID. You can either spend it or contact Apple support for helping with zeroing out your balance. Next, you'll want to sign out of all Apple services on your device. This includes iCloud, iTunes, and App Store, and any other services you have signed into. Go to settings, again tap on your name at the top, and then scroll down and tap on sign out. Make sure you remember your Apple ID and password as you need to sign back in later. Now, let's change your country or region. Go to settings, again tap on your name and select media and purchases. And tap on view account. Next, tap country and region and change country or region. Select your new country or region, and this time you should see the non option available under payment methods. If it's still not showing, make sure you follow the previous steps correctly. Once you've successfully changed your country or region, sign back into your Apple ID and verify that everything is working correctly. And that's it. You should now be able to change your country or region on your iPhone running iOS 17 without any issues.